Hi students, yes, I hope all are fine. In the previous class, we started the first lesson, that is the fun they had. So in that lesson, how is the school in future days? It means according to textbook 2157, how is the school? So here according to future, the school will run through the computers, virtual classroom, even robotic teacher and system. This like a teacher, students will learn in 2157. But now you are learning through the teacher, it means real teacher, printed textbook you have, separate classrooms, schools is there, ground is there, everything is there. But in future days you don't have anything, only everything display on the screen. Everything display on the screen. Even you don't have a real teacher like a human being. Robotic teacher, it means machine. It is a machine, robot machine. You know that na? That like machine will teach you. The textbook, no more textbook. Only everything printed. Everything is on the screen. The classroom, what you can see in the classroom? Benches, dais, blackboard, marker, this like you can see. But in the virtual classroom you can't see anything that like. Okay, so here only CD, you can see CD. Okay, radio, mouse, that like you can see in a virtual classroom. Robot, remote, okay, headphone, Bluetooth, that like you have in virtual classroom in future days. Okay, so let me continue lesson. So who found the real book? Yes, already you know that Tommy found a real book. So when Tommy found a real book, he tried to open the textbook. When you try to open the textbook, some pages turn into another color, it means yellow color. Some pages are break down, some pages are folded, that like he found. That was the condition of the book. That was the condition of the book. But they had no any textbook. Only everything on the screen. Okay, here so that like let us see second para. He said Tommy, what a waste. When you are throw with a book, you just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have ideal had a million books on it. It's a good for plenty more. I wouldn't throw it away. So here Tommy said ghee. Here what a waste. It means here Margie didn't like the school. Didn't like the school. Dislike the school. Gee said, Tommy, what a waste. Yeah, what a waste thing it is. When you are throw with a book, you just throw it away. Yes, throw it away. Why yeah? Why should you keep it with you? Throw it away. It is a waste thing. This like Margie told to Tommy. Margie told to Tommy, don't keep this book. Just throw it away. It is a useless thing. It is a useless thing according to Margie. Throw with the book. You just throw it away. I guess our television screen must have a million books. Yes. Why should you keep that textbook with you? So many millions of books you can see on the screen. You can see on the screen. So no necessity to keep the textbook. It means printed textbook. Throw it away. Just like Margie said. Our television screen must have a million books on it. It's good for plenty more. It's good for plenty more. More and more books you can see. Millions books you can see. I wouldn't throw it away. Yes, here I wouldn't throw it away. Same with the mind, said Margie. Yes, I wouldn't throw it. I wouldn't throw it away. Yes, it means here machine. It means what here? Machine. So here Tommy said, I would not throw it away. Even the Margie also said same thing. Even I wouldn't also throw it away. It's very useful. According to them, the computer is a very useful thing. Don't throw it. That like. I wouldn't throw it away. Same with mine, said Margie. Margie said, yes, my opinion is also same. How is your opinion? That like my opinion is also same. No more change. She was 11 years. Actually, Margie, how she old? 11 years old. See that. She was 11. I didn't seen as many books, telebooks Tommy had. Yes, 11 years completed. Before that, she had never seen this like a printed book. She never seen this like a printed book. Tommy, what he had. Okay, see that. Seen has many telebooks as Tommy had. He was 13. Tommy was 13 years. Margie, 11 years old. Tommy, 13 years old boy. See that. She said, where did you find it? She asked him. For question, she asked him, where did you find it? Where did you notice? Where did you observe? Okay, this like she questioned him. Okay, she said, it means she asked, where did you find it? Oh, Tommy, where did you find it? He replied, yes, in my house. Yes, he replied. What he replied? Yes, I find it in my house. In my house, he pointed without looking because he was busy reading. Yes, he was not replied properly because he was busy in reading. It means he was reading the textbook. How it is? What type of lines are printed? This like he was reading, so he did not look at her. He did not look at her. He pointed without looking because he was busy reading in an attic. Attic means storeroom. Attic means what? Storeroom. So storing in the storeroom, what are the wasted things? What are the waste things you have? So all the things, it means wasted materials you put into the storeroom. That is called a attic. Attic means storeroom. Attic means what? Storeroom. Yes, I found the printed book in a storeroom. This like Tommy replied to her question. See that. He was busy reading in an attic. What is it about? Yes, in this textbook. What is that? Yes, you got the textbook. So no problem. What is it? Okay. As it is about school. In that textbook, the first page, when you observe the first page and you notice the first page, on the first page, what was there? School. About the school. First lesson about school. See that. Yes, what it is about the school. Yes, it is the first lesson regarding about a school. Margie was scornful. School. What is there to write about school? I hate school. Margie replied. It means she did not like. She feel unhappy. Yes, school. Where is this school? How is this school? Okay, this like she asked. Look at the textbook. So I hate school. Margie dislike or hate this school. Margie always hated the school. Not only one time, always she hated the school. Margie always hated the school, but now she hated it more than ever. But now she hated computer more than school. More than school she hated what? Now machine she hated because when the technical problem happened in the machine, all the programs are washed. Is it right? So that right. So Margie always hated school, but now she hated it more than ever. The mechanical teacher had been giving her test after test in geography. Yes, in the school. When will announce to take the test, automatically we are giving question papers. Okay, we are giving question paper as well as answer sheet also we are providing you. It is the way of test conducting, is it right? But here the robotic teacher, no more papers, no question papers, no answer sheets, anything, everything you should answer on the screen only. Only on the screen you have to answer to the question. But here in the school, so we are providing you what question papers, answer sheets, everything we are providing you. But in future days everything you have to answer on the screen only. Okay, see that. She hated it more than it were mechanical teacher. Mechanical teacher means robot. Had been giving a test after test in geography. In which subject? Geography. Geography. See that. So she had been doing worse and worse. As how she performed in geography test, it's very bad. She performed very bad because technical problem. Because of what? Technical problem. So she did not do well. She did not do well in a geography test. Okay, see that. Okay, students, look at the textbook. Here in geography test she performed very poor because of technical problem. It means robotic problem. See that. She had been doing worse and worse until her mother shaken her head sorrowfully and sent her for a county inspector. Yes, she called county inspector. County inspector means mechanic. County inspector means what? Mechanic. Yes, when anything happen, where do you take that? To the mechanic. That like here also her mother called the mechanic to check what happened in the robot. Automatically that person came. See that. Shaken her head sorrowfully, sent for the county inspector. He was a round little man with a red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple. Then took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right after an hour or so. There it was again, large and black and ugly, with a big screen on which all lessons were shown and questions were asked. That wasn't so bad. The part Margie hated the most was SLAT, where she had to put homework and test papers. She always had to write them out in the punch code they made her learn when she was 6 years old. And mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. See here what's happened. Yes, automatically the mechanic came to the home for repair the robot. So here how he looked, physically how he was. See that he was a round little man. Round little man. Even his color was red. Even he carried tools. He carried tools. It means repair tools. So he carried along with him. Red face and a whole box of tools with dials and wires. He smiled at Margie. Yes, when the person entered into the home, he smiled at Margie. See that. He smiled at Margie and gave her an apple, then took her teacher apart. Yes, even he gave her one apple. Afterwards, he took the mechanic. Sorry, he took the robot. See that. Said he took the teacher apart. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again. Yes, Margie thought that maybe he wouldn't do anything. It means he wouldn't repair the machine, she thought. Margie had hoped he wouldn't know how to put it together again, but he knew how all right and after an hour. Yes, but as a mechanic know that how to repair the things. He know very well. That's the reason we are calling him mechanic. Okay, he know very well. Right, and after an hour so there it was again, large, black, ugly with a big screen on all lessons were shown and questions were asked. Yes, after 1 hour all the things it means not beautiful. Everything display are not beautiful on the screen. Even questions, answers, every lessons, everything you show on the screen in a large size. It means big size. Shown the questions were asked that was not so bad. The part Margie hated the most of the slot and where this put up the test papers. Margie hated the most of the slot. Slot means space. Slot means what? Space. Okay. So, how do you write the answers on the paper? But here, the particular space is there. In that space, punch code is there. You have to click the option. That is enough. Okay. The most of the slot where she had put a homework and test papers, she always had to write them out of the punch code. It means in computer language. In computer language, she wrote the answers. Punch code. They made her learn when she was 6 years old. Yes, she learned when from 6 years old. When she was 6 years old, a mechanical teacher calculated the marks in no time. Yes, of course. Mechanical teacher, after the test, mechanical teacher calculated the total marks, how many marks that student got. Immediately, without delay, announce the result. Is it understand? It's happened in the third para, in the fourth para. I hope you understood this much. Okay. So now you write down the homework. I hope in the last class what I gave you homework, I hope you finish. Okay. Read the lesson with understanding. One page. Copywriting. Okay. Collect new words. Collect new words. Okay, students, I hope you understood this much what we have finished in this class. Okay, see you in the next class.